chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through. We're on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do one more for a turning chain, and let's make some single crochets into this chain. So let's go through the chain and see I'm going through both of these loops. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert your hook into the next stitch under 2 loops of the stitch, yarn over and pull through. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2.